Time to go live. Okay, I think we're good. Live streaming. All right, let's see. See if it worked. Yeah. So many tabs. Okay, so this should be up. Yep, building in public. Nano-Banana. Sweet, sweet. Got audio. How's Twitch looking? Looks like we're live on Twitch. And X. Looks like it's live. Cool. All right. So what did I do yesterday? Make up Victor Bill's Acid Terror and Pokemon Legends ZA. That sounds good. I haven't played Pokemon in a while. All right. Cool. Oh yeah. Comment thing is not on yet. There we go. Got the overlay. We're all set. All right. This is up to date, man. I was slowly looking at all my notifications, but I've still got more. I didn't get through them all. I'm about to do that after this. I did a little behind, but we're on it. Late stream day. Oh man, yeah, it's almost 11 already. That's right. I didn't get through all my school activities. Normally in the morning I go through most of my school stuff, and then see some new faces in here. This is cool. Yeah, got up late, running late, but we're catching up. Plug my phone in here real quick. All right, but I think yesterday I got it good enough. Hey, good morning, brain damage. Yeah, weird. It bugs out on my screen, but the overlay shows up correctly, so I guess that's good. I think it's like a bot message. Yeah, whoops. Nice. Yeah, they're overlays. Oh, okay. Yeah, no, weird. Okay. StreamYard stuff. Just weird StreamYard stuff. Man, that's crazy. I figured out the hack, I think, for X. Just put something that's whatever, topical, and it gets some numbers. Makes me feel good. How's it going this morning, brain damage? More client calls today? All right. And what was I doing? So I was looking at my activity. I think pretty good on the profile from yesterday. So yesterday, Wednesday. Yeah, yesterday was Wednesday, right? Today, Wednesday? Yesterday was Wednesday. The life of self-employed. 43 activities. I will take it. Have a call with a new client. Nice, man. That's awesome. That sounds good. Sounds like you're on a roll, so that's great. How long have you been doing your own thing? You said this is pretty recent, right? That you also kind of just decided to start getting your own clients, working on your own. All right, and where's my spreadsheet? So today is the 20th. Yeah, today's the 21st. So yesterday was the 20th, and we had 43. Where are we? 43 activities. I've already got 14, so sneak preview. 43 activities for today, or for yesterday. Should help bring the average up a little bit. Nice. I was just trying to do that math in my head. It's like eventually, full point jumps is going to take more and more on the average. So it's like I'm sure it's not going to jump from an 18 to from a 19 to a 20, but it's close. It's close, and it's not enough. So need to get those activities up, I guess. I was looking at some of the Nano-Banana stuff last night because I saw it pop up. I saw some people talking about it on X. So I was like, oh man, gonna have to check it out. So I haven't done too much with it yet, but figured I'd take a look. Who was I looking at? Jimmy Apples was talking about it. This is kind of funny. the banana top pop off. But yeah, no, it's kind of crazy actually. Have you done? Yeah, exactly. Yeah, everybody's been talking about it. Must be Google's new thing. Apparently, it was only on I think like LM Arena. Get to it on LM Arena. I need to get more hardcore because I don't have access. But it seems like it's pretty good from what people have been saying. Good lord, how many Cloudflare checks do we need? I don't know. The internet's going to be in a weird place as everybody. There's so many bots now that everything has to be Cloudflare. Like I don't know. We're going to create like a centralized internet again. Everything's going to be Cloudflare checked. Somebody had a interesting take where it's basically you're going to have to start paying to access websites because it's all just bots. So you just like pay for a service to have your bot access people's websites. We might be going in the wrong direction here. Oh, there we go. Is this it? Is this Nano-Banana? Or no, wait, Ultra Generate Preview. That's from 6.6, so maybe not. But yeah, apparently Gwen Imagine is also supposed to be really good. They said it was like I saw somebody talking about it being better maybe than Flux Context. Image edit. Okay. Yeah, because Flux Context, I guess, is one of them. Okay. Yeah, I thought they said, yeah, it seems like people were thinking it's Google, but not sure yet. What's up, uneducated player? How's it going, man? We're just looking at Nano-Banana stuff. VO3 fast audio. Crazy. So I haven't done much. I know it's been a while. Well, I don't know, a while. It's been like a couple months that Flux 1 has been out. I know Flux was like a really good image model. But I wasn't sure what Context was, but apparently Context is like for the photo editing one. Try to come daily to talk to you to increase engagements. Don't get angry if you're talking too much. You're good, man. You're good. Yeah, thank you. I appreciate it. Appreciate the engagement. I mean, yeah, got to get the numbers. So every little bit helps. So thanks, man. I appreciate it. What are you up to today? It's the best Flux version. Okay, nice. Yeah, I haven't kept up with that too much, but well, that's that's what I was thinking. I remember seeing Flux was mostly like an image thing, so that's what I know. That's where they got started. Like the Flux 1 was the big one. Is it FAL or no? FAL is more for video, generative media. I mean, I guess it's I mean, you can probably do both, right? You can do images and video. But yeah, I know they were one of the sources for Flux 1. Private chat member can't see his chat. Oh, you can't? Oh, weird. Is it not in the? Oh no, he's on Twitch. So yeah, I'm multi-streaming. So I'm streaming to Twitch and YouTube at the same time. So so you can see his chats over there. Otherwise, yeah, have to go switch to Twitch. So either one, yeah, you can chat wherever. I was trying to figure that out. Like, is there? I don't know if anybody's gotten to that point yet where like the chats themselves can be combined. You can see it on the overlay, I guess, but that's it. Sure, yeah. Where's my Twitch? I'm on the stream manager. Where'd I go? Oh, is Twitch faster? Oh, that's good to know. Yeah, I wondered about that. Yeah, I'm gonna have to figure that out because like this machine actually I could do multi-streaming. I think RTMP. I kind of want to look into that rather than doing StreamYard. So oh wow, really? 30 seconds faster? Oh man, yeah, that's considerably faster. Is it really? Let me see. Yeah, it's like way faster. Is YouTube that far behind? Wow. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. There's a decent lag. Well, there you go. Apparently, you want the real thing. Twitch is where it's at. Is X faster? X is like really far behind, right? Yeah, X is pretty far behind too. So, all right, well, there you go. If you want the straight from the source, Twitch is where it's at, I guess. So, good to know. Good to know. Also, your Twitter. Oh, sure, sure. Yeah, yeah. I'll send you your Twitter. Yeah, for sure, man. Thank you. There we go. x.com/jpeters.dev. Yeah, thanks, man. Appreciate the support. All right, don't need that. Don't need that many. But yeah, I was gonna see what else was going on with Nano-Banana lately. Well, it's crazy. Like when I started Googling, how many people have just like fired up fake websites. I mean, I don't know. Yeah, it looked like basically the same templated website for what was not Nano-Banana, but or it might have been like an API like pass through or something. But I think some of them were just using Gwen 3 instead. Smart on this guy. Suddenly, yeah, this account's gonna blow up. Yeah, Nano-Banana artificial intelligence. Crazy. Just wonder like how many things are um taking advantage after like a couple days. Nano-Banana. This is from August 19. Okay, so this is recent. For sure, man. It's always get into the next thing, whatever the hype is. Midjourney and Nano-Banana. Ah, there you go. Upscaled with Magnific. Magnific seems cool. I didn't want to commit $40 to it. That's like it seems like a lot for image upscaling. 4-panel montage showing sports moments using the style of the reference image. Yeah, that's crazy. That's really cool. Very nice. That's really crazy, actually. Put the two persons together on the beach in a natural way. That looks pretty real. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. That's pretty crazy. Hey, there's me. Properly optimizing. I am live on X as well. You are correct. Nice. Thank you, man. Thanks for the follow. Oh yeah, Seed Dance. I've been seeing something about this. I don't know what those guys are doing, but I think they were seeing them pop up around the time that VO3 was getting popular or had just come out. I don't know what they're doing, but somehow they're allowing you to do free usage of the models. So I don't know, but that might have been somebody's like hack or something that I saw on YouTube though. Yeah, as far as I know. Yeah, yeah, no, for sure. I think VO3 is going to be hard to beat for a while. That one's crazy. What was that? Text to video? Did they have that on here? I thought they did. Image edit, text to video. Yeah, VO3 fast audio. That's going to be really hard to beat. Even image to video, which kind of surprised. Oh yeah, Seed Dance. Oh okay. Yuppie AI. That's a new one for me. So how's it going, Emily? Yuppie AI. Hey, thanks for the follow. What was it? Yup AI. Can't spell. AI for everyone. Oh, nice. Yup. Interesting. A poem about Yup, written by Yup. Okay. Looks like a pretty big team. It's a nice platform. Nice. Do they have APIs? Or is it just another reskin? Wait, Chris Dixon. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Okay. So this is I was gonna say that's A16Z. 500 models in one place. Okay, okay. All right, that's much more legit. Get some credits on a monthly basis. Okay, cool. All kinds of credits, or all kinds of models, it looks like. I guess, yeah, you got Grok, Claude, DeepSeek, Gemini, Meta, OpenAI, Perplexity, which is weird because they just piggyback on other people's models. I guess they have their own model. But yeah, I don't recognize that one. I don't recognize the purple one. I don't recognize that other one either. But nice, that's cool. So they're like legit backed. Well, there we go. I have to sign for that. Sure, why not? Yeah, got it. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, Open Router makes sense. Like it's very convenient. Just log in, you're good to go. Get access to all the models. Let's see. Show me what you can do. Oh, do they have like they're like a router on top of the routers? Two top AIs from this prompt: GPT 4.1 Mini and Grok 3 Mini. I'm not impressed. Not impressed. This I don't like having no option to choose anything. Let's do. Or do I have to go through it? Is this like a trial run kind of thing? Doing a placement. You said it. Okay, and you said Nano-Banana was on Yup, not anymore. I wonder, is it anywhere else? Is it still? I think it got taken down from Marina too. So I think it's a goner. We're gonna have to switch to Gwen 3 edit. I think that's what I saw last night. It was like Gwen 3 image edit. Yeah, you can only use it at Marina. Anywhere else is a scam. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Like people are just like reskinning Gwen for Nano-Banana instead. Nice. It looks so real. That's incredible. Yeah, it's late to the Nano-Banana thing. I didn't realize it's been going on for a couple days. You could always choose Nano-Banana there, but apparently they removed it. Ah, bummer. Yeah, that sucks. Okay. Well, I was just wondering because I think Google's ramping up to do their announcement stuff, so they're probably going to have probably going to make some more stuff public here soon. I would think. I forget what they if they're going to Gemini 3, and then yeah, maybe the image model's part of that. So that's pretty good. Looks like the kin is like a little bit warped, but otherwise, maybe not. Maybe that's just a visual based on the art. That's crazy though. I didn't get to try it, so I just happened to see it last night. It's like, oh man, I missed out on the Nano-Banana stuff. Nano-Banana, stealth image model from Google. Everybody seems to think it's Google though. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly. It's going to probably officially launch here soon. So yeah. Pretty crazy though. Yeah, that's kind of insane. Just add a third bag of dog food. Done. Looks exactly the same. Like, that's pretty clean. Yeah. It might have blurred that up a little bit. It's a little bit warped, like on the title up there, but man, that's nuts. Neat Gamma. Oh, really? Is this guy is this a Gamma app guy, or is this just or is he just affiliate stuff? All right. Anyway, I don't know. I was hopping on the Nano-Banana hype train, so clearly it's working. I have 43 viewers on X. Is that right? That's crazy. Or is that just views? Okay, maybe it's just views. Maybe not actual viewers. Weird. Because yeah, nobody actually chats in X. So and maybe that's just kind of the reality of it. It's just how X goes. But I also want to see what's going on with Gwen 3 image. Image edit. Yeah, there we go. That's pretty cool. It's on replicate. Okay, there we go. 3 cents per image, just 3 seconds. That's pretty crazy actually. That's pretty good. 3 image edit, Google. I haven't messed around with Gemma too much, but Gemma's supposed to be pretty solid for being an open source. 10 cent. I haven't messed around with Hunyan either. Hunyan Gamecraft, interesting. GTOS. Xi.org. That's a new one for me. Oh, GLM. No, I think I know that one. That's like Horizon and stuff, right? DeepSeek, Gemma, Gwen Image, GPT. Jan's a new one. Product layer. Yep, exactly. Where did they find that? Where's trending? Explore AI models? Gwen Image Fast. Yeah, that's what I was curious about. Gwen Image Fast versus Gwen Image Edit. And then there are people that were like claiming Nano-Banana on here, but I don't think it's right. Anycoder. Omni Avatar. Spaces of the week. Is there like a trend? Oh, these are like what they do. I haven't been on here in a minute. I've kind of just been using like Olama and stuff. Ideogram with character? No, I have not. Ideogram is best modal for writing on images. Ah, interesting. Okay. I mean, I know like GPT's image model's been pretty good for writing words, but I haven't tried ideogram. Ideogram. So I'm gonna have to sign in, aren't I? Oh wow, yeah, that's clean. Wow, that's crazy actually. Grades are just numbers. Tucula. Yeah, that's really nice actually. That's impressive. Yeah, that's kind of insane. Molson, sup? How's it going, man? More meetings today? Hopefully not. Did you get your Nano-Banana access? Try character with their face. Do they have a character thing? Trying to see if it'll give me a title. I mean, honestly, that's kind of what I was thinking about, was like having a way to do YouTube title or YouTube thumbnails with like put a title in the background or whatever, and just be able to use a picture of me from whatever. But yeah, that's crazy. People don't have. They're not using words with people though, which is interesting. Cool though. What's the pricing on this? This thing got an API character. Instagram character. Accurate consistency from one image. Generate or upload one photo and create infinite stories. Whoa, okay. Nice. Yeah. They really want me to sign up though. Yeah, that is kind of mind blowing. Some of these are just very, very real. Would not be able to tell. Craziness. There you go. Running from a dinosaur. Taking a selfie with a bear. No big deal. That's awesome. Good to know. Add it to the backlog of AI tools. Too many options, man. Too many things to try. When does so when are these releases going to happen? Google, I don't even know what you call it. Google announcements. AI presentation. I forget what there was like a thing. IO, that's it. IO keynote, right? I guess that happened in May, so maybe not. I thought there was one that happened like in the fall here. Like there's something coming up soon, and that's when they would probably talk about Nano-Banana coming out. Google Next, is that it? Nope, that was April. Google Labs, next revolution of AI, September. So maybe that's it. Google Cloud Labs presents the Agent Verse, of course. I don't know. Just trying to figure out when would Nano-Banana become a thing? When would they be announcing it? If they just pulled it, it's probably going to happen pretty soon. This is usually where I'd probably refer to Perplexity or Grok. Grok's actually pretty good for that kind of stuff. Yesterday? Oh, was their thing yesterday? Yeah, one of them I got. Oh, I guess right. The August one was yesterday. It's 26th. Oh no, that was like next week. Just my other tabs. So many tabs right now. Don't even know. Nano-Banana. What do we got? What do you call that? Announcement for new models? See what Perplexity says. I guess I can probably actually show you what's going on here. Google's not publicly announced it. Here we go. Yeah, there you go. Not publicly announced an official date for the release of Nano-Banana. There is no confirmed upcoming events solely focused on this. Well, yeah, it wouldn't be for this solely for the model, of course. They'd have multiple models. Most likely happen during a high-profile AI-centered event, perhaps the next installment of Google I/O, which was back in May, I guess. So too late for that. Recent removal of Nano-Banana for public research readiness may mean it's moving forward. Commercial or preview launch. That's not confirmed. Flex Pro Web. Next official announcement for new models is unannounced. Nano-Banana's full release is not yet scheduled, but signs strongly suggest being prepared behind the scenes now that the model has disappeared from third-party platforms. Yeah, that makes sense. All right, well, I guess we'll just have to wait. Have to wait and see what's going on with the Nano-Banana craziness. So then, let's see. Is there like a comparison of Gwen image? So I think it's not on. Oh wait, no. Okay, it's number 6. Oh, that's what that Gwyn. Okay. So we could try some of these out, but they still got GPT image 1 at the top, and then Flex Context. C did it, so that's C Dance, and then Gemini Flash Preview Image. Gwen image number 6. So I thought that was like higher. I thought that was gonna be one of the bigger ones, but I guess not. Imagen 4.0 Ultra. I haven't tried that either. Like some of this other Google stuff is pretty good. I mostly was just using Gemini for code, so apparently I need to use that for other stuff too. But right up there, GPT-1. Then Flux and Seed Dream. Who's Seed Dream? It's just that this is like Seed. Oh, ByteDance. Okay. Oh yeah, yeah. Okay. TikTok people. 3.0. Ranks 3.0. First in artificial analysis image arena leaderboard. Really? Wow. Okay. Oh, that's true. Yeah. What does what's artificial analysis say about that? Where are they at? Official analysis. Have they done a breakdown? DeepSeek launches v3.1, unveiling v3 and R1 into a hybrid reasoning model. Okay. So does it mean it's jumping up? Okay, v3 to v. Okay, to v3 3.1. All right. Leapt over Claude Sonnet thinking. Do they do image models too? Oh, they haven't posted in a minute. Man, that'd be sweet. Get a nice DGX system. There was somebody that was posting on one of my uh YouTube videos. Said he was getting a DGX. It's like, man, that sounds great. That'd be super cool. Not yet, not yet. Can't afford that kind of thing yet. It's crazy though. Compare providers by running GPQA Diamond 16 times. I don't even know what these are. All right, so they're a little bit behind. I don't know what they're doing as far as AI images. I thought they might be doing some of the Nano-Banana stuff too, but maybe not. Models. Speech, image, video. There we go. Text, image. They've got Seed Run or Seed Dream 3.0 at the top. Wow. Tied with GPT 4.0. That's kind of insane that yeah, Fallout AI is probably your source there. The price difference though is kind of insane. Like Flux 1 is that cheap compared to GPT. Craziness. Just big numbers. Lots of lots of X traffic. I appreciate it. It's crazy. Just gotta use the right term, I guess. Nobody ever like chats in X though. See more models. See the arena. I'm sure it's not here anymore. Both of those are pretty good. I mean, that looks pretty real. The street's a little messed up, and like I don't know. I guess yeah, the city looks a little wonky. Not bad though. Gives us some hope. Exactly. That one I guess is pretty straightforward. Just looks like just like the random vines on a blank wall. Pretty close. Pretty close. Let's do that one. That was going image. Okay, there you go. Ooh, both of those are nice. Got some weirdness happening here. Got like too many mirrors that don't really know what they're doing. This one's much cleaner. Lucid Origin Ultra. Okay. Insert a group of kayakers in the water. It's capture stream. Exactly. I don't know what I was doing yesterday. I was doing something that I went through like three or four capture cycles, and I was like, I must be missing something because it is not loading. It would not let me. It might have been Stream Elements yesterday actually, but I went through like at least 3 or 4. It's like, oh, pick the thing that you could plug in, and like did that, and then it was like, pick the bicycles, and I did that, and then it was like, okay, and then it just started over. It's like, all right, pick the thing you have to plug in. Like, yeah, you have to plug in microwaves, and it just like it did it like 4 times. Like, okay, like I clearly this isn't working. Maybe I am a robot. Also, it's different. It's different when I get to pick. This is like the eye doctor. This is where I'm picking the one that looks better to me, and still feel like I'm doing it wrong. This one looks a little better. I feel like this one looks weird. I don't know what's going on. Let's go with that one. There's flux context. Okay. Oh man, 4 cartoon professionals. Job. Man with glasses in a wheelchair. Well, that one didn't quite get there. Short bob hair, red blazer. Man in pattern tie. Nice. Team photo. Stand smiling in front of a bold, colorful company logo on a blue wall. One team member holds the frame. Best team of the. That's crazy, actually. Lucid Origin. What's Lucid Origin? I don't even know what that is. That's a new one for me. How about you, Naj? Are you a robot? What are you up to today? You and Molson hanging out? Oh man. Ugh. Which do we prefer? A sprawling lunar mining colony, where autonomous drilling machines carve deep into the moon's surface to extract helium-3 within glass-walled command centers. Engineers in light blue button-down shirts monitor real-time resource data on holographic displays. I don't know. This one's got more of the sci-fi vibe to it. The weird fisheye angle I'm not digging, but I mean, it works. I like how these guys have just like random tools. This guy's sitting perpendicular to his computer, which I mean, could work. I've been there. Not a big fan of either one of these, but maybe that one. Nice. Boop bop. We got robots. Robots in the chat. Ban them. Get them out of here. We don't like your cotton around here. Cartoon style illustration of a man in a casual sweater. That one just didn't load. Bold outlines and a simplified backdrop focus attention on his friendly open face. Well, I mean, I guess that one just wins. Bria. That's another one I've not heard of. There's so many models that I don't even know. So ByteDance. Where's this Lucid one? Lucid's Leonardo. Okay. So Seed Dream 3.0 is usually at the top. GPT-4o. Then Imogen. Wow. Okay. Interesting. Imogen Preview. Kling. Okay. Kling AI. I recognize that name. Yeah, that one was doing all right. And then Flux 0.1 context was looking pretty good. That's a new one though. I haven't heard. High Dream Vivago. I recognize Recraft. I think I saw him on, saw them do their announcement on X, so that name's at least somewhat familiar. Ideogram number 13. Oh, Reeve. Never mind. I was actually thinking of Reeve, not Recraft. I don't know what that one is. There's so many AI models. This is crazy. Yeah, and then Gwen is Alibaba. Man, it's funny to think like Midjourney and yeah, I was gonna say instability. I was gonna wonder what happened with the. I think stability kind of fell apart after Ahmad I think left. Kind of realized like maybe this isn't working out. So, but stability was the Stable Diffusion was like the model for a little while. Same with Runway. Runway was like they are not stable. Yeah, so I was wondering. They've gotten outpaced at this point, and they're no longer stable anymore. There's Bria. Okay, I was curious. I don't think I've ever seen Bria before either. And then Nvidia down at the bottom. They make the hardware. They don't need the models. They're good. DeepSeek Janus Pro. So many models. It's crazy. Oh, that's kind of cool. Text and typography. Well, there you go. Thought ideogram was supposed to be at the top here. What's going on? I mean, it's pretty close. Elo is pretty close, but apparently Imogen's pretty good. Same with GPT. Commercial portraits, people groups, fantasy, mystical. I mean, that's where what's it called? Midjourney. Midjourney wins here usually, right? ByteDance. Okay. Z Dream is actually pretty good. So many options. Need an image. Open image router is what we need. Image editing. That would be really nice, actually. The image editing would be super useful. Personal leaderboard. I need 30 votes. What does that even mean? What do I get for that? All right. Gonna keep going. Got 25 more. I am a human, I promise. Yeah, that wins. Rex. A curious cat peeking out of a pile of autumn leaves. That looks way more real. A bustling Tokyo street scene filled with lively anime characters, each showcasing exaggerated expressions and vibrant costumes during a festive cherry blossom viewing. I mean, that seems to hit that pretty well. Got kind of some weird face stuff going on. This one doesn't seem as lively. It's a little more focused. We'll go with that. Flux, okay. Not Dreamina. Add another white dog. Totally missed on that one. Yeah, it's pretty good. It definitely like AI-ified their eyes. But that'll work. They're just going to image edit. Have everyone open their eyes. Ooh, turn this kid into kind of made him creepy. Let's go with that one. Flux one again. Tilt the shoe upward to emphasize the soul pattern. I mean, close. This didn't do anything at all. Oh man, it's like which one's the winner here? It tried versus it just didn't try. I mean, I guess that. Bagel. Good job, Bagel. Impressionistic painting of a bustling city street in the rain, vibrant umbrellas dotting the crowd. Those are both pretty good. Maybe a little bit better perspective on this one. Digital illustrator of a streamer and a neon lit desk, headphones around her neck. I don't know. That's both of those pretty good. We still kind of get the situation of the monitor not being in front of the person, but I guess it's still trying to make sure that there's like actually a person to show. So go with that one. 3D render of a high-end blender with a glass pitcher, stainless steel base, touchscreen controls, positioned on a modern kitchen counter. I mean that one might be the winner. It's pretty clean. We got a double sync situation here. It's a little bit no brainer. This one on the left, right? It's getting me with like all the fruit and stuff ready to go. It's fancy glow. Yeah, this kitchen's like a bit of a weird one. Lucid Origin. There we go. Is that good for you, Nosh? Does that work? showcase a series of elegant winter coats displayed against a snowy city backdrop. Emphasize texture styles suited for a chic urban environment. I mean, oh, nice. I think that one. I think the one on the left wins. Let's go. Flux one. Yeah, Runway. Runway needs to step it up, man. They've fallen behind. Retail cashier in a polo shirt, name tag, smiling while scanning groceries at a checkout counter. Kind of a weird spot to put your credit card machine, but you know, I don't know. Getting kind of picky at this point. I guess, yeah, that one probably looks a little better. Sorry, Rex. Model shirt white, remove rat. There we go. Gwyn image. Cartoon scene of a grandmother knitting near a window, a cat curled up in her lap. Just kind of just holding a bag as opposed to actually knitting. All right, there we go. Good job, Google. Cartoon meadow with a bear, a rabbit, under a large oak, honey pots, acorns scattered, bees buzzing, lazily overhead. Yeah, that one for sure. That looks like Google. Yeah, I was gonna say that looks like a Google one. Photorealistic portrayal of a bustling tech startup office. Yeah, that's got too much of a glow. It's too awkward. Go that. Rex. Dynamic cartoon action. I don't know what's going on here. His hand kind of merged into the troll's hand. So it's very actiony. It looks very actiony, but this is pretty good. I like this guy's like underhanded grip here though. Oh, those are nice. Luxury fountain pen with intricate gold filigree details on a polished ebony barrel placed elegantly on an open notebook with handwritten textile for a professional ad campaign. Both these are pretty good, actually. That's a tough call. Maybe this one? Am I at 30 yet? Have we done it? Did we do it? Anime cafe scene bustling with activity. Waitress in pastel pink. Yep, blue uniforms carry trays of desserts shaped like animals. It's got some. That one does it a little bit better. Customers sit at a table with whimsical flower arrangements. A chalkboard menu displays colorful displays and playful handwriting. I mean, not bad. Not bad at all. Either one of them. We'll go with that one. Hit the animals better. Zoom outline, remove the stain from the shirt, and make the man smile. Yikes. Yeah, I think we got a winner here. Ooh, nice. There we go. Do some logo. Tech Wave. Sleek logo for a high-tech company featuring a dynamic abstract wave and a clean vector style. Yeah, that's much more on it. I think we're almost there. I think we've almost done it. Detailed sketch of an ancient library. Books piled high into the rafters. Lean against shelves. Solitary candlelit desk. Yeah, I like that one. It might have been more of just like a personal preference thing. All right, have we done 30? I have 10 more to go. All right. Don't know that it's worth it. All right. I didn't have two. Oh, whoa. Retro 8-bit. Yeah, for some reason, I've looked into this a little bit. 8-bit always seems to be really challenging for some of these models. Like, doesn't totally know what to do. This is more what I seem to get. So that's pretty good. It's not bad for 8-bit. For a knockoff Mario. Not too bad. Whoa. It's like a bird kite. What are you doing? What are you doing, DriveStar? I was messing around with AI models, trying to get brushed up on these kinds of things. So I was actually going to see it. Artificial analysis was going to give me a personal leaderboard for doing image guessing, but I don't know. Couldn't get access to Nano-Banana. I'm too late to that boat. So was just kind of seeing what was going on with some of the other AI image models that are out there. How about you, DriveStar? What's up, man? You're on a hot streak. Been here like every day, I think. But I guess what? I have 9 left, 8 left. All right, classic black, black and white portrait of a dapper gentleman in perfectly tailored 3-piece suit, vintage pocket watch, photorealistic. Both of these are pretty good. It's kind of not showing his face, but go with that. Holographic projection of artificial analysis, emanating from a sleek, futuristic AI device in a high-tech lab. You are good. Awesome. Glad to hear it. Yep. Doing well. Doing well. We're farming X engagement right now. It's really what's happening because for some reason the numbers are going way up. I don't know why, but hey, might as well. People are loving the image selection. We're doing our AI image testing right now. Artificial analysis. So I think this one looks a little more holographic-y to me. So I'm gonna go with that. Change all the make all the oranges fresh and not green or rotten. So we made all the oranges green. So I guess this guy wins. That was Flux. Okay. Pin for Bookmark Haven, cozy reading nook, stack of books casting, buy 2 get 1 shadow, weekend sale and banner across the top. Neither of these are great. That's probably a little bit closer. We'll go with that one. Ideogram. There's the ideogram. Yeah, that makes sense. Ideogram seems to be really good with characters, as someone has already pointed out. Designed to the mug, it should state "best intern ever" in a love heart sign. Oof. Yeah, that was close. Tried to slap a sticker on there, but that one definitely wins. Make this car a sports car. Nice. Yeah, I think that one wins. That was Flux. Yeah, Gemini 2.0. I can see that. Whoa. The reflection of the photographer in the sunglasses. Both of those did really well. This one looks closer to the original, so that one might win. That one kind of upscaled. Yeah, I think that one wins. It was Rex. Again, that's another model I'm not heard of. Don't know what Rex is. What is that? Very photorealistic. Good job. Dolly 2. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. A small wooden cottage in a snowy mountain setting with smoke rising from the chimney. That one looks better to me. It's kind of got some perspective stuff going on. A little bit of weird artifacting. This one looks a little cleaner. Ooh, the one on the left looks good. Vintage 1950s inspired diner interior, checkered floors, red leather booths, classic jukebox, photorealistic architectural rendering. It's not bad. It's not bad. There's a little bit of weirdness. This one's not bad either, though, really. Go with that. I don't know how many that's been. I think we're getting close. Personal leaderboard. 2 more. Got a cloud flare. Got to verify I'm still a human. All right. I've already seen this one. Going with this one again because we got some like weird stuff in the background, but like unless her monitor, she has another monitor here, it just doesn't make sense. Although she's wearing double headphones though, so that's a little weird. All right, well they both are wearing double headphones. Develop an infographic. These crack me up. This is actually pretty good. Wow. Or whatever Foloth is, folate, heart, vitamin C. Not bad. This one's just kind of a jumbled mess. Infographic comparing the nutritional values of popular fruits and vegetables presented a visual, appealing chart with icons representing vitamins and minerals. Nature's fuel, fruits versus veggies. This one's pretty solid. That was Rex. Okay. Changed 12 July. So April 01, 12 July. Yeah, that one did better. Gemini Flash. All right, now I think we're good. ELO ratings improved in accuracy with more votes. Personal rating. Okay, So apparently my personal rating is for Leonardo.ai. Then Google. That makes sense. I can see that. Ugh. This is good to know. I haven't done too much. I was gonna do some. I need to get more workflows that use AI imaging. I mean, like GPT was just gonna make it super easy because I think you can just call the GPT API like straightforward. So that makes it really simple in terms of using it with N8N. And I think the same with Imagen 4. I think you can just call Google's API through N8N. So those make it easy. But the other ones, I think you have to go like sign up for, Val.ai or whatever, like one of the other platforms to be able to get to an API to use the image editor, which I mean, I guess isn't so bad. I just get tired of like having to sign up for all these different accounts for everything. So it just gets a little annoying. That's where again, like, I mean, OpenRouter, I guess. I don't know. Does OpenRouter? I mean, I guess that's what someone just pointed out. Yup might be a good solution to that too. Just being able to connect to one platform and then be able to get access to a bunch of different stuff. So apparently, if Yup had Nano-Banana on it, so Yup is obviously doing image models too. That would be kind of nice. Do I still have Yup open? All right, what do I want to do? Get the best responses from 500 plus AIs. I don't know. I need a good response or good prompt to get this bad boy going. I don't know. I tried to impress me before, and it just came back with like GPT 4.1. Impress me with your capabilities. GPT-5 didn't do very well. Didn't impress me very well. 2.5 flash thinking. Oh, okay, we got O3 mini. All right. Well, many things. It's going to generate code, solve math. Quick demonstration of Python graph. Okay. Specific task. I don't want to come up with a specific task. You do it for me. All right, prefer that. Didn't actually run it, but that's fine. It was fast. Sure. Oh, got a scratch. Hey, got 5,000 Yup credits. How about that? How old am I? I have a bachelor's degree. Occupation, self-employed. This is why I'm hanging out playing with image editors. All right. What gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere under a cartoon monkey in monochromatic style? So then can you pick? Okay. Most preferred. Wow, they let you use Opus? That's kind of crazy actually, because Opus is like ridiculously expensive. Fastest among the top 10 vibe models. Okay. Most preferred. What we got? Opus thinking. Then GPT-5 high. Wow. Okay. Yeah, Gwen 330B. That's crazy actually, because you can run I can run that on my computer. I think I actually have it running right now. Do I have? I might have killed Olama actually. It's kind of pushing my computer's limits here, but I think I had Gwen 3B going. Yeah, I do. Nice. Okay, cool. Always curious, like what kind of models you can run locally and not have to pay for pay for access. This one, I mean, I think it's like 30 gigs or something crazy. Llama. Gwen 3, 30B, 19 gigs. Oh wow, could even do. Yeah, nice. Okay, with the 256 context window. That's crazy, actually. Yeah, then we jump into numbers. It's like, I'm not gonna be able to run something that has 142 gigs. I do not have the RAM for that, uh, but 19 gigs is doable. I can do that, and 256 context is actually kind of huge. Like, that's awesome. So anyway, I don't know. That's kind of my goal. Have like have a local machine running. Switching. The only thing I guess I was thinking about, yeah, is that can you? I don't know if you can. If you can like swap out models if you're running them locally on your machine, because like I would want to run different models. Like if you wanted to run a local, image edit model, and then have to like spin one model down and spin the other one back up. Like, okay, go call that image model, generate the image, then turn off that model, turn on the other model again, bring whatever GPT OS 20B back, because that's probably the one I was just going to use instead. GPT OSS 20B. So I don't know. Have to look into that. Got a lot of N8N catching up to do. I've been slacking a little bit lately. But man, that's crazy. I don't know if you guys can see this, but X X is getting a ton of traffic for some reason. So this may be the hack. This may be the secret. Whatever trendy term is, throw that in there on X and farm some engagement. Get the stream going. Oh, I forgot to put my description. Oh no, need to put. What are we doing here? Need to update my subscription link here. I like how StreamYard just puts an affiliate link for me. Like, yeah, we got you. It is their product, so can't blame them. Good deal. Good deal. Cool. Well, I mean, not much left for Nano-Banana, unfortunately. Think we're done with the Nano-Banana stuff at this point. It's no longer on the internet. Hopefully, it'll be out soon. The other thing I need to do. So I'm still. Well, I was gonna get a guide up for the webhook, since I did some webhook stuff yesterday. So I'll do a webhook video for N8N. Probably later today. I mean, I should probably just record videos directly during the stream. That would be the true like productivity hack, but probably not gonna do that yet. Not quite to that level yet. Prefer to have like a little bit more formatted. And then what else is left? So then app wise, I need to get the Wave Nightlife app onto the Google Play Store. So I got the account set up, so I think we can finally do that. So that'll be the next big unlock for me, at least, is getting the app published on multiple platforms, which would be crazy. So that's high on the to-do list. And then Upwork stuff. So haven't done too much with Upwork lately. I got a win and now I kind of backed off, and I think that's the typical trend. You let the well dry up, and then you go back to this massive panic of like applying to a bunch of stuff. You need to have consistent input, I guess, is really what the goal should be. So I need to be better about that. Applying to Upwork stuff passively to make sure it's still coming in. But yeah, lots to do. I got to clean up my Skool community. It's looking a little sad. Who was it? Isaac had some good feedback here. He's looking for trajectory on entrepreneur and freelance, and then add a bunch to N8N workflows. That was fire. So yeah, can always do more N8N workflows. There's some guys are doing some crazy stuff. So that's kind of what I was looking for ideas, I guess, from the image models and stuff, to see what we can do with image models to get going with N8N workflows. And then maybe an N8N course. I do need to step it up. I've got got kind of like some walkthroughs and stuff, but like a full course would be good. That just might take some time. But I like this innate end secrets if you're combining it with software engineering knowledge. Yeah, that's kind of what I was going to touch on a little bit with the webhooks. At least I can come from the perspective of like having actually written APIs in webhooks before. So can talk a little bit more about how like that actually works in it and get you the background on that kind of thing. Go back to my Java days, which has been a long time now. Tried to work on a Java project with Molson. Oh man, whatever that was like 4 years ago now. 5 years ago, 4 years ago, 5 years ago. That was kind of rough trying to jump back into it. It's like, oh man, it's been a minute since I've done Java. So now it's been a long time. It's been many years since I've touched Java. Kind of switched to doing a little bit of Golang and stuff instead. But lots of community stuff to do. So that's something I want to push. Need to get more content going on the YouTubes. I already looked at my Skool activity tracking. How's the YouTube channel doing actually? I didn't even look. 843. Wow, it's actually going up. Nice. And we got some comments. I need to go and reply to that kind of thing. So yeah, we should probably do that. And then the Skool community had like a little bit of a bump, which is cool. Had like four or so new members, which is awesome. So getting up there. We're getting up there slowly but surely. I know the whole Alex Hormozi thing over the weekend probably helped a little bit, getting some more traffic coming into Skool in general. I just watched the Schoolers video last night, trying to invite the new people or onboard the new people. That's crazy, actually. This was like 80,000 members like not that long ago. Now it's up to 116,000 people. So that clearly worked. A lot of people clearly jumped in. That's insane. There we go. How to grow your Skool following with 0 followers. Craziness. I do need to do TikTok. Need to get on that TikTok live. I was working on some stuff yesterday, 2 days ago now, and didn't quite get there. I had a whole course on trying to use innate-end to like build clips out of existing video, but man, it's tricky. It's tricky to get video like this, like widescreen, to automatically go to vertical to mobile, because even I think I can show. I had vidIQ do it, and like the clips aren't bad, but I don't know. It's not much better than what I was doing. Yeah, here we go. So like, I think it's finding the right thing, which is kind of cool, but it's doing this weird edit stuff. Like I like the karaoke style captions. That's good, but it's doing this like arbitrary zoom in and out, I guess, really to kind of make it look active, but not sure it's quite working. So I don't know. That's why I figured like it's probably better to just like show the stuff in the background. Yeah. It's like very distracting. So I don't know. Apparently automating clips is still difficult. I haven't tried Opus Pro in a little bit, but like it's been okay. But I don't know. The obvious thing to me is like just find the camera and then pull it out and then just make that the bottom of the video. So but I mean, like, logically that's pretty specific, so I could see how their automatic tool would not really do that quickly. It can recognize that like there's a human face, so it's like, okay, cool, find the human face, but then you have to have like it's multiple steps there. Where it's like find the human video feed, pull that out, then try to decide based on what the transcript is saying what content is relevant within the video. And that's like the really, really subjective hard part that could probably be done with a thinking model, in which it sounds like I think you could do GPT-05 or GPT-5 mini thinking. So that might not be a bad way to do it, because that's actually pretty cheap. Pricing. AI. Yeah, because GPT-5 mini is only $2 out in output. And I don't know how the thinking parameter works on that. Faster processing, batch processing, obviously. Yeah. Whew, man. Per million tokens. I wonder how many. I don't know how many tokens are in a video in an image. Because that seems really high. $40 for output per million, though. So I don't know. I think it's probably like eight. What if I had to guess? Like three to 4,000 tokens in an image. Tokens in an image. Discrete units. Yeah. But how many? Larger images. Whoa, really? Gemini. All right, you got me. Input token image was 48,000. All right, I might just have to ask Perplexity. Summarize for me, internets. On average, how many tokens are there in an AI image output? There you go. Okay, times n. Oh, where n is the number of pixels, so 5200 or 512 pixels tiles, possibly resized image. So standard images, okay, is like 1100, 1300 tokens per image. Large images could be more though, obviously. So, okay. Google images with dimensions of 384 by 384 usually cost around 258 flat tokens. Larger images, each costing 258 tokens. Total images increase with size. So like 1 to 2,000. 1 to 2,000. All right. So then you're gonna get that's a lot. To up to 1 million. So you can do 1,000 basically, or less than 1,000. 500 images for 500 images for $40. I mean, that's not terrible, really, depending on what your goal is. So definitely something to be paying attention to, though, for sure. That's why I guess that was back to where it's like, well, if you can do like one image edit for free, then that's not bad. Is that on here? Can you Olama Gwyn image? Gwyn coder? So that might take some work. Yeah, you might have to actually pull that down from Hugging Face. Download model. There we go. And then I don't know. It's been a minute. I've been kind of relying on Olama to do that kind of thing. LM Studio probably would be the other one you could do to run this. Otherwise, might have to do some do a good old fashioned vibe coding. And I guess that's really for image edit. So if you just want to change the image, not actually generate. So different goals, different models for different goals. Nice. Welcome to Penguin Beach. That's kind of funny. Remove the hair from the plate. Good stuff. That's kind of nuts, actually. Just change the color of the letter N. Very specific. So anyway, how big is this model? Yeah, the old fashioned vibe coding, man. It's old news. I mean, we've been talking about vibe coding for months now. I mean, it's been around for forever. Literally like 8 months. Hang on. When did the term vibe coding start? I mean, I think it's Andre Carpathy mentioned it in like a video, and then that's where it exploded. Yeah, February. Okay, February. Yeah, it's been like 6 months, man. This is old. It's old fashioned. How big is this model? Quick start, diffuse. 20B. So it's probably like 20 gigs, maybe a little less, 19 gigs. Also, how are you, Mr. Conductor? How goes it? How's the work day? Busy day, lots of stuff to do. Got got some activity. Got some activity today. People hanging out. This is good. Much appreciated. Nice, nice. Is it end of sprint? Trying to catch up? What's today? Yeah, today's Thursday. So sprint end tomorrow. Gotta close those stories. Gotta get those PRs approved. Go for the classic. Wait, yeah, there we go. Yeah, people, I think we were talking about Nano-Banana earlier. People are creating their own Nano-Banana models, not the real one. Yeah, yeah, they're just it's the Wild West out there, man. People are doing whatever they can, I guess. Heart sync. Of course. Certain kinds of visual models that would be popular. Yeah, I still don't see the size of this though. Quick start, showcase. I don't care about the showcase. Is it past this? Is that the bottom? Normally they have like the whole distribution stuff on it, right? Apache license. Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, could be useful. Could be a useful. Could be a pretty cool automation. Something you could actually run in your machine and do some image editing if you needed to. I saw somebody's pipeline for like ads. I mean, if you're going to get into like visual ads, that would probably be one way to go. Need to automate one of these whole systems that can do a bunch of stuff. Basically, like look at rebuild an ad system that essentially would just take in a couple images, like create a bunch of different iterations, run them for kind of cheap, see which ones perform the best, and then just iterate on the ones that do well. Because I know there's, I don't know, starting to, I don't have a lot of experience running ads, but I just know it'd be, I've thought about jumping into it a few times. I know it'd be a really useful system to have. I don't think I really want to run ads for Skool, but running ads for an app could be okay. I feel like just certain situations where ads make sense. I haven't really done anything that really needs ads, but selling an ad system wouldn't be so bad. Try to do it what Alex Becker does with Hyros, and just help you, like, I don't know, analyze your ads better, iterate and experiment. So anyway, that's where something like this would be super useful, because then you could just like change the ad. Like, all right, change the background color, and just have a bunch of different background colors, and then go through all those versions, and then upload those ads and run them, and then, like, change different elements within the thing. So more if you're trying to sell like physical products, that's usually probably where you're going to be running into something like this. So something to be cool to build at some point, but I got lots of other stuff to do before that. I still have yet to post a short, which I will eventually post a short to this channel. And then actually, I think the alpha was you can manually upload to TikTok and then use something else to re-upload to other platforms. Like TikTok seems to apparently not like if you use other systems to upload, which is kind of surprising, because I think TikTok has like APIs and stuff to be able to upload videos. But I don't know. Sounds like you want to have TikTok as the source, and then you can repurpose to Instagram, maybe a little LinkedIn, so apparently that's turning into TikTok at this point, and then YouTube Shorts as well. So got to stay at the top of the feed, just like this. I mean, I'm currently sitting at the top of 116 people's X feed, so that's pretty cool. Need to get Papa Elon to hop in, comment on his Nano-Banana. Oh, well, all right. We're getting up there with Tej TV. You got 358. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. What's he working on? Just vibe code and a little bit of Rust. Oh man, I haven't. I would have to vibe code Rust. I have not even looked at it. That'd be a whole nother level. But man, craziness. Um, yeah, it's already noon, so I might be having to call it here at this point. I need to go actually be productive. Spent too much time looking at image models today, but it was fun. Definitely appreciate everybody coming and hanging out. The numbers are crazy, so apparently need to do more Nano-Bananaing, I guess. Figure out what else is hot in the AI space lately. But yeah, I got some automations to build, so I'm gonna work on that, and a little bit of app development today as well. So and a little bit of client. I got to meet with the client later. So lots of stuff to do. I try to get to the gym, so I've got a busy day. But yeah, lots of activity today. So thanks everybody for coming and hanging out. Really appreciate it. It's been good. Hopefully it was entertaining to vote on some image model quality. But yeah, tomorrow is Friday. I probably will try to sneak a stream in. Might be about the same time, a little bit later. Just a quick one though. It's been been a long week, so we'll see. Yeah, brain damage. Thanks you, man. Thank you for stopping by. Appreciate you hanging out, man. Have a good one. Conductor, good luck with your sprint. Same with Molson. Good luck with your meetings. Everybody else, thanks for hanging out. I appreciate it. I'll hopefully catch you tomorrow. If not, I will see you on Monday. So thanks everybody. Have a good one.